Hello everybody, before this video starts, make sure to leave a like and, subscribe for more, and, hit that little bell symbol so you never miss any of my uploads. Let's get to the vlog. Hello everybody, you guys probably, remember this place because last time I solved a 2x2, and I have no gloves on so I can solve this easier. So, let me just mix it up. This is all mixed up. And I'm going to solve it in 3, 2, 1, go! Shoot. Yes! Oh, show you guys. Sorry I'm not saying anything because I'm just trying to concentrate. And I solved it. As you guys can see, all solved. And, yep, it is all solved. Okay, everybody, if you guys liked the video, please leave me a big thumbs up. And, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm actually going to put a poll. Wait, no, it's going to be right there. Right there. It's going to be right there in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, it's right there. That's going to be a poll on what I should do next, what Rubik's Cube I should solve next. There's going to be a couple there. And, whatever you guys vote for, I will solve. And, so, just click my face right there. And then subscribe to me, and right there will be my first video, and right there will be me doing some flips. So go check that video and that video, and go subscribe to me right there.